Ladies and gentlemen, I may not be available most of the time, but trust me, we've been very busy. And that's the very reason why pinagbubutihan namin ang ating mahal na chairman. We will be opening Abu Dhabi, our second branch in the United Arab Emirates. And I would like to welcome all of you to take part in the Middle Eastern market.
Officially declare this branch to royalize Abu Dhabi beginning today. Yeah!
Ang ating pagbukas ng Abu Dhabi branch signifies our very real intention to grow this company the best we can.
Malaking bagay po yung pagbubukas ng Royal Abu Dhabi kasi una po sa lahat, madali na po namin silang mapapunta lamang sa branch, hindi na po namin sila kailangan pang pagbiyahihin ng mahaba para makapunta sa Dubai. Sa pag-product purchase, madali na rin po, they just need to go to the branch, bibili na po nila. Unlike before na they have to wait until na makapunta kami dito sa Abu Dhabi para madala namin yung orders nila. Ganun po ka-convenient na mayroong Royal dito sa Abu Dhabi.
I just want to give you an assurance that we will not stop from here. Abu Dhabi is just a stopover. There will be more destinations in the future. Kaya nag-uusapan ho natin dito, hindi ho yung tagumpay ng Royal, hindi ho yung tagumpay ni Chairman, hindi ho yung tagumpay ko. Hindi lang ho yung dami ng mga establishments na tayo natin worldwide. Tagumpay po ito ng lahi natin.